Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, two folding bed brands will be going head to head. We have the Milliard Diplomat folding bed and the LUCID Rollaway folding guest bed. Having people over may be a hassle at times, especially if you don't have a room to spare for them. Well, instead of dedicating a whole room for guests who just visit just a few times a year, why not consider trying folding beds instead? Not only are they great if you're the designated host, but they're also ideal for individuals who have a knack for traveling. And when guests leave or you're done with your camping escapade, you can quickly and neatly store them and have them ready to go when you need them. In the ring today for a nail-biting battle are the Milliard Diplomat folding bed, a 5-badger, and the LUCID Rollaway folding guest bed, a 4-badger, both from our team at trustedshopguy.com. Despite the ratings, the match will be decided by comparing the brand's individual strengths and weaknesses, so reserve your final judgment until then. If you're interested in the other folding beds that we reviewed, do check out our folding bed review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these folding beds will be going toe-to-toe with are their size and portability. We can all agree that we sleep better in a bigger bed. Larger beds not only allow for more cuddling, but they also provide for more space to stretch out and less interruptions from the other person as you sleep. But aside from the size, beds should also be easily moved from one part of the house to another, depending on where you need them. The Milliard Diplomat twin-size bed measures 75 by 38 by 17 inches, which is just large enough for a big-frame person. While many rollaway or folding bed types have been problematic for tall individuals, the 6.3-foot length of the Milliard makes it an ideal option if you or your visitors are over 6 feet tall. As soon as your visitors are gone, you can fold up the bed to a slim 14-inch profile and enjoy the 2 smooth rolling wheels that allow you to easily transport and store your bed anywhere. On the other hand, the LUCID twin-size rollaway bed has dimensions of 73 by 36 by 12 inches, and when folded, it sports 10.5 inches in thickness and 44 inches in height for easy storage. It's also available in different sizes as a cot, a twin, and a twin XL, of course at different prices. And just like the Milliard, the locking wheels in this bed make it blessed to push across the floor to different positions in the room. When it comes to portability, both of them are equal as they come with wheels for easy transportation. But when it comes to size, we have to give the point to Milliard even though it's only a few inches larger than LUCID. However, if you're set on getting the LUCID bed, it's a good thing that they offer beds in a variety of sizes, providing you with more alternatives. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their mattress. Whether you have back pain, night sweats, sleep apnea, or just want a good night's sleep, it's crucial that you have a premium mattress that is firm enough to support your back and sleep position, but soft enough to fit the shape of your body. When it comes to comfort, the thickness of the mattress is perhaps the most important factor. To be sure, the thicker the better. However, keep in mind that the thicker a mattress gets, the bulkier it will be. Milliard offers you a comfortable and refreshing sleep day and night with its 4-inch thick base foam and 1-inch memory foam mattress that's topped with an extra soft and breathable polyester cover that can be easily removed. The mattress cover is velvet and feels soft on the skin. Not only that, but it has fireproof fiberglass protection and a non-slip bottom for a peaceful, uninterrupted night's sleep. On the flip side, the mattress in the LUCID is ultra-supportive and provides the user with medium plush firmness with its 3 inches of support foam layer and 1 inch of memory foam layer, make it more suitable for side sleepers. Both these layers work together to provide you with maximum support to the edges. What's more, the breathable bamboo cover of the mattress will be ideal for users with sensitive skin, and the hypoallergenic material is not only easy to wash but also quite nice to the touch. Although both brands offer maximum comfort with their luxurious and relaxing mattresses, we have to give Milliard the credit for having a thicker one, which means it's also a lot more comfortable. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their platform. Getting a good night's sleep is often attributed to the quality of the mattress. However, the platform on which the mattress is placed might be just as significant as the mattress itself. The platform is the foundation of the mattress, and without a quality platform in which to place your mattress, sleep can be disturbed by squeaking, creaking, sliding, and more. When it comes to sturdiness, Milliard doesn't disappoint as it comes with metal bars as a deck for the mattress that ensure the bed doesn't sag in the middle, even when used by a heavier person. It also helps keep the mattress in shape over time, which will prevent you from having bad sleeping positions, and hence back pain in the long run. Meanwhile, LUCID boasts a spring-supporting pulley deck that provides you with extra support and enables you to sleep more comfortably. The spring-supported deck absorbs impact and prevents a rickety feeling. Others may appreciate the solidity and dependability of Milliard's metal bars, while LUCID's trampoline-like foundation may be more appealing to others. However, if you want a long-term precisely shaped rollaway bed, Milliard is the way to go since its metal bars will undoubtedly keep your mattresses entirely supported, unlike LUCID's foundation, which has the potential to droop with time. Therefore, this round goes to Milliard. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with are their frame and capacity. A good bed frame provides ample support to help you sleep and prevents your mattress from sliding around and becoming a tripping hazard. It also looks better aesthetically and fends off any mold, insects, or dirt from getting into or on your mattress. Best of all, it's a great opportunity to store away things you use from time to time. When you fall asleep every night on this folding bed, do so without a worry on your mind, as the Milliard folding bed is made with a full metal frame, which is guaranteed to be safe and durable. Its design is very user-friendly as it has adjustable straps, a few buckles, and leg locks that keep it in place. Overall, the bed can support up to 300 pounds. Likewise, LUCID sports a heavy-duty metal frame that can support up to 300 pounds. There's also 11 inches of clearance underneath, giving your guests space to stash their luggage. It also comes with adjustable straps and leg locks to maintain stability. In terms of materials, features, and capacity, there isn't much of a difference between the two, so it's only fair that we give the two their well-deserved points. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of use. Time is valuable nowadays, so putting up the bed should be as fast as folding it up. It shouldn't be necessary for someone to exert themselves excessively to unwind and relax. Fortunately, Milliard has developed a high-quality folding bed that doesn't need any effort or time-consuming setup, which is why it's so popular among consumers. There's no need to worry about a single screw or missing component since the whole bed is completely assembled and ready to use. It takes only less than 10 minutes to put together. Similarly, a straightforward tool-free installation makes setting up your LUCID rollaway bed quick and painless, so you can go from unboxing to unwinding in minutes. Prepare for unexpected house guests and impromptu slumber parties with confidence thanks to this simple sleep solution. Both brands' assembly processes, components, and designs are identical, so after all that's been said, we can safely claim that both are easy to assemble and surely won't stress you too much. As a result, we'll close this round with a tie between the two. As we conclude today's brand wars, we have seen how the two brands established themselves and boasted their edges. However, there can only be one winner. With a score of 5-2, the Milliard Diplomat folding bed comes out on top, offering you maximum value for your money, but this doesn't mean you should take off LUCID from your options. If storage is the aspect that's most important to you, then LUCID Rollaway folding bed can provide you with a slim and light profile that you're looking for. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Milliard Diplomat folding bed and the LUCID Rollaway folding guest bed has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next folding bed face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.